Mr. Gun Philippines, Atibala Rizal!
Dale Fisher, your Mr. Grand Philippines, Filipino community of Australia!
Jay Manalo Rayos, your Mr. Grand Philippines, City of Batangas!
Tan Perez, Mr. Grand, Bulacan Province!
Mark Joseph Magalindal, your Mr. Grand Philippines, Caloocan City!
Carl Joseph Mabweg, your Mr. Grand Philippines, Municipality of Casalias, Province of Zambales.
Kim Senya, Mr. Grand Philippines, Cebu!
Joe Marshall Dunuan, Mr. Grand Philippines, C.A.R. Cordillera Administrative Region!
John U.M. Kapili, your Mr. Grand Philippines, Dasmariñas, Cavite! Jeffrey Aceron, your Mr. Grand Philippines, representing Filipino community from France.
Keith Andre Liera, Mr. Grand Philippines, representing Holy Spirit, Quezon City!
Ken Lambert Garcia, your Mr. Grand Philippines, Infanta, Quezon!
Aaron Pastor Reyes, Mr. Grand Philippines, Filipino community of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia.
Aaron Paul Francisco, your Mr. Grand Philippines, City of Malolos, Bulacan!
Sandro Sales, your Mr. Grand Philippines, Mandaluyong City! John Christopher Lagos, your Mr. Grand Philippines, City of Manila!
Albert Dyson, Mr. Grand Philippines, from Marikina City.
Luel Peter Senya, from the province of Pangasinan.
Mark Sester Gerlan, your Mr. Grand Philippines, Pangil Laguna!
Marcus Shelo D. Santos, from the home of the champions, Pampanga!
Martin Leon, Mr. Grand Philippines, Parañaque City!
John Denmark Tumelden, your Mr. Grand Philippines, Quezon City! Jonas Asungsong Harina, came from the land of thousand colors, Mr. Grand Philippines, Quezon Province! Jake Flores Coronado, Mr. Grand Philippines, Rizal Laguna! Christian Geka, your Mr. Grand Philippines, San Pedro Laguna!
Daniel Paulo Ilumba, your Mr. Grand Philippines, Silang Cavite!
Cyrus Aaron Cortez, your Mr. Grand Philippines, Santa Rosa, Laguna!
Mark Tacadoronea, representing Tagaytay City.
Rem Stifler Rich, representing Mr. Grand Philippines, Taguig City!
LJ Dado, Mr. Grand Philippines, Province of Zambales!
Let's welcome our host for tonight, Kapuso Heartthrob, Derek Monasterio, event host and radio